Hi everybody, Scott Smith, Rusnak BMW in sunny Southern California. Check this out. Man, this is a beautiful M3. I'm telling you, I'll give us credit to our ordering guy who loves doing the frozen colors. I don't think I've shot one in the frozen brilliant white metallic. So this car came in about a day and a half ago, and I was hoping this thing wouldn't disappear. And you enthusiasts, as you can tell right away with those 20-inch wheels, this has got your M competition package. So let's go ahead and move to the front. This car does have most of the equipment on it too from the factory. So let's move to the front. As you can tell right away, we got the lighting package with the full adaptive LED lights. We did order it with the black kidney grille. You can see there you got the double ribs with the M3 signature on it. I've always liked, as I've mentioned before, that front lower bumper there. Very exclusive, great design, nice wide look, and you got form and function with all the breathing and cooling systems that you have down there. So let's go ahead and take a closer look here to the side. Let's check out these 666M styling wheels that they have included with your M competition package. And think of those beautiful M compound brakes that we have on there. So this thing will definitely stop on a dime. Now, some of the other highlights to that M competition package, as you can see, some of the shadow line or black polish that we've done across the system here, the symbol, the M3, so that's part of it. And you've got your shadow line exterior, which we've seen on pretty much all the M3s. And the M3's got its signature spoiler. Now in the back, what I really like is they blacked out. Ooh, that was awesome, Trish. I think Trish was trying to scare me there. Also, guys, you can see this is a 2016, so we've got the LED rear lights, one of the nice upgrades for the 2016. So let's go ahead and move to the front so you can meet my co-host. She's gonna pop the hood for us. And here comes Trish. Hey Trish. How you doing? Awesome. So let's check out underneath the hood.
How was the rev time?
It was awesome. I about jumped back. Nice. You got me good. All right, guys. Here's your signature carbon fiber strut brace there, all the way coming up to the front. So great rigidity. Now we've got here a 3-liter. Now this engine does have 2 mono scroll turbos. It's the S55 engine. Now, normal engine has 425 horsepower, but this has been increased to 444 horsepower, and because of that competition package. Also, it takes about 1/10 of a second off the 0 to 60. Now, BMW does have it rated at 3.9. One of the major magazines, car magazines, got it to 3.8. So this car should be maybe down into that 3.7, 3.8 range with this competition. So definitely very quick for a car that has a base price that starts out in the mid 60,000 range. Right there, you guys can correct me on that. Just go to bmwusa.com and you can custom build your own M3. The car is 184 inches long, just under 74 inches wide, just under 3,600 pounds. All right, cool, Trish, where are we going next?
We're gonna go check out the sticker.
Okay, let's do that.
And I hope you guys are enjoying this lovely color, because this is my favorite frozen color that we have.
Awesome.
And here's the sticker here. This is a 2016, of course, BMW M3 sedan. So you can go ahead and pause at this time if you'd like, but you can see here we have driver assistance, executive package, the lighting package, which all of you love, with the LED adaptive lights, the M competition package. You can see down there for total suggested retail price, that comes to 87, a little over 87, actually closer to 88,000 US dollars.
There's our mileage, city and highway, and 19 as an average. Okay, we'll let Trish go ahead and jump in the back seat. Go ahead, Trish. She's going to show us the legroom. She had the front seat all set up the way she liked it. So this way we can have her jump in the back. And we can see, you guys already know how tall she is if you watched any of the other videos. Go ahead, whoever the first one is, to put it in the comments.
So it's very comfortable back here. You have the hard back seats here.
Also, we do have some form and function back there, so we'll show you that, but you do have some cooling system. You obviously got your air conditioning, heating back there, power source and everything. One thing that they did do on the 16s is add that highlight around the vents there, so you do have that. Also over here, giving you a little highlight over here, and you can see the exclusive stitching. And this one was ordered with the rear sunshades, which you do have for the main window and the side window. All right. Also wanted to show you something that's pretty cool with the seats. Let's go ahead and go to the front. Right up here with these M competition seats. As you can see, yes, we do have pass-throughs, so very cool, great for venting, keeping you cool, just a neat exclusive style. One thing about it, guys, no lumbar support when you do have these seats, but definitely you do have the width adjustment so you can tighten up these sides really nice if you need to. And another neat signature BMW did when we came out with the new M3, this does glow, really easy to see at night when you unlock the car, so it's really a nice welcoming light with the M glowing. So all right, so we'll let Trish get out. We'll head on to the back of the car.
Back of the car?
Yeah, let's go to the trunk. We'll show them that. Okay.
Pop this open. You can see here.
You do have the fold down seats, 60/40.
Mats for the vehicle.
Yeah, you actually get mats included at this price.
Storage.
And you got your mobility kit there underneath and a little bit more storage, and we'll let Trish put that down. And then over here, guys, there's your front license plate mount, you know, per the owner. We'll let them have it drilled into the bumper or leave it off per their request. All right.
And the black M3 symbol. Which
Oh,
is
yeah.
really nice. Love this.
Especially against this white, huh? Because you can really see it.
pops.
All right, so we'll let Trish jump in. She'll get in the driver's seat. One thing to show you guys also too is we do have, you know, the carbon fiber roof. It can be ordered with a moon roof, but let's show you all that carbon fiber up here. Great for rigidity, lightweight, drops that center of gravity just a smidge, so you can go a little faster in the corners and the curves. All right, what do you want to show us here, Trish?
Okay, so we have the
Oh, there we go.
Love this. The white stitching on the seats. So it really pops. All the colors on this really pop with the black and white accents.
Very nice. And you can see we've got the M3 inside the door seal here. Now we kept the tape on that M3 dead pedal there for the left foot just to keep it nice and clean for the owner. And then this one is ordered, you can see, with the nice full leather. So the dash has got all the great stitching. It's got full leather. Let's head over to the door here. You got the contrast stitching. Now, one thing about the seatbelt that Trish was mentioning too, that's exclusive with the competition package. So really cool idea from BMW to add a little bit of attitude to it and a little exclusivity with that package. Perfect. All right, I'll go jump in on the other side. Now, one thing about this, we do have a carbon fiber drive shaft, guys. About 12 pounds lighter than a conventional one. You know, you already heard about the 0 to 60, the weight ratios, all that good stuff. The final drive on this is a 3.46. Just wanted to give you another shot of the outside here. Man, that thing looks great. Now, the M Competition package does enhance most of all your settings. So your dynamic stability control, also your Sport Plus, Sport options have definitely been enhanced. So new settings, even the active M differential has been taken to a whole new level. So this is just an M3 with even more attitude and performance. Okay, Trish can go over the steering wheel with us. Always something that's nice. You got to deal with it obviously every day.
Yep, so it's very plush. It kind of forms to your hands, so when you're taking those curves, you can really feel like you have control. Double stitching on the interior of the steering wheel here. Of course, your M1 and your M2 settings on this one, those are personalization modes for the vehicle for how aggressive you would like to drive on that particular day. One press of a button will go ahead and put you into all of your preferred driving settings, thank you. And then we have here cruise control, of course, voice command, which works really well, the answering and hanging up of phone calls, so you can do all of your phone activity hands-free, volume control here, and your paddle shifters for your aggressive driving.
Perfect, cool. And guys, you can see all the carbon fiber, which is kind of characteristic to our M's. Very nice, high polish, and we do have it along down here where the touch controller is. Touchpad controller, and then you've got a lot of your great settings there, Trish. What do we got there?
Oh my goodness.
All kinds of goodness,
all right,
don't we?
so we have suspension, your steering here,
engine management.
Yep, exactly. Park distance, the PDC button here. This is going to give you your backup camera, your the lines that you use.
Oh yeah, and what about we push this one here? Go ahead and push that camera. So that one there, guys, will give you the front view. As you can see from right here, it actually shows you where the cameras are. So if you're coming out of an alleyway, can't see down the road, just stick your nose out about a foot, foot and a half, turn on the cameras, it'll show you if someone's coming. So great setup there. Also, we've got the high gloss black trim around here. We do have ambient lighting at night that'll glow here, which is really cool. And you can see they've gone to white lettering during the day. Headlights come on, it'll go back to orange. So a couple other things I was going to mention too that we did have with that with the M competition package. You know the horsepower has been increased to 444 over the 425. We've also got, you know, 1/10 of a second off the 0 to 60. And then new settings for the dynamic stability control system. The M adaptive suspension has new settings. In all 3 of the settings, it's been enhanced. You know, the kidney grille, the side grills, the rear M insignias in that high gloss black element. So we got all that goodies there. Let's show you on the door here. We got the Harman Kardon sound system standard. And you got a place actually to put a water bottle if you need to. More storage, so they did think about the Americans with all the stuff we like to drink. And then also you saw the exclusive seats. One thing to mention about those 2 mono scroll turbos with electronically controlled wastegates, you know, some of the advantages is high adjustment speed, precise boost, pressure control, and then obviously the also the fuel economy has been upgraded. It's like Trish is having fun, huh? All right, well, cool. Let's go ahead out. Let's take another shot of the outside. Yeah, guys, if you're looking for a car, please send me an email. All right. What do you think, Trish? You like this one?
I love it. I'm going to be driving this away for the weekend.
All right. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Trish.